Delegates, I'd like to remind you that a draft decision with the proposed amendment are available for your consideration on the Assembly website under the tab Overview, not a document or tab. So no, please refer to them. Okay, we will now continue with the intervention by member states on agenda item 4.8, report on UN Ocean Decade and result of the midterm evaluation. So please be reminded to keep your intervention short and concise. Again, I like to read out my remaining list of the speakers, starting with Egypt, Turkey, United Kingdom, China, Spain, Thailand, Australia, Portugal, Canada, Japan, Indonesia, Russian Federation, France, United States, Morocco, Costa Rica, and then the partner organization Pisces and SCORE. Okay, having said that, I'll invite Egypt to be followed by Turkey. Please.
Thanks, Mr. Chair. Egypt would like first to congratulate Brazil for hosting the next Ocean Decade Conference. In addition, thanks for IOC Secretary Mr. Al Julian and Mrs. Allison, and the leader of General Secretary Vidar, for this progress and this potential. Egypt recognizes the significant progress made in the Ocean Decade at the midpoint, as highlighted by Executive Secretary and the Ocean Decade Coordinator. We commend the rapid growth and thematic diversity of Decade action and the critical work for the Decade Advisory Board. Egypt acknowledges the success of the 8 calls for Decade action, resulting in substantial portfolio and endorsed program, projects, and contribution. We noted ongoing 9th call with the focus and align new action with Barcelona statement and consolidating the collective impact of existing action to inform policy and decision making. NOEF of Egypt has the Decade implementation partner of Africa. We concern that the growing network decentralization coordination structure, including Decade Collaboration Center, Decade Coordination Office, and the Decade implementation partner are essential for progress, especially for Africa. We also understand that gap is this network remain in priority thematic area and geographic, and that IOC lead Decade Coordinator Office require additional resource to become fully operational. Egypt underscores the need to address this resource constraint to ensure effective regional and thematic coordination. Finally, Egypt reiterates the urgent need for increased finance and in-kind resource. As a volunteer mechanism, the Decade Coordinator relies entry and extra budget resource for support the IOC Secretary. We strongly encourage all the member states to provide additional support to the Decade Coordinator, as well as the IOC pragmatic contribution to ensure the successful implementation of the action identified in the management response to the midterm evaluation. This support is important for building a strong future IOC and truly impactful for Ocean Decade. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Egypt.